circle.
Wow.
This is a nice circle.
Okay, and then a
Eyes
big
here.
eyes. Ay, not big.
Eyes are here.
Eyes.
Eyes na yan, magkadikit.
It's a moon.
Ay!
Where's the eyes? So small naman. That closer to the nose. Should be closer to the
You make
nose.
2 eyes down here. Down here, okay?
There.
One more. Yes.
There. Good.
Ears.
And then
Make ears. Taas.
there. Wow. How about the hair?
Here.
There.
Oh, short hair. How about long hair?
Yay.
Okay.
And it becomes a girl.
Yeah, it becomes a girl. There. Yay. Very good. Yay. What's her name?
Girl.
Girl. Very nice. Oh, that's enough.